Number 1. 1931 Ford Model A. Offered at $32,000, this 1931 Ford Model A is a beautifully built classic hot rod that blends timeless styling with modern performance. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering strong acceleration and smooth drivability. The exterior stands out in a striking emerald green finish, complemented by a lightweight fiberglass body. It rides on new chrome smoothie wheels, sized 15 by 6 up front and 15 by 10 in the rear. The front tires are P195/60R15, while the rear uses P275/60R15 wide white wall diamond back tires, giving the car an aggressive yet classic stance. Visual appeal is enhanced by a 1932 Ford grille and headlights, along with LED taillights and a third brake light for added safety. The engine bay is clean and well detailed, featuring an electric cooling fan. Additional highlights include a factory chop top, suicide doors, an electric driver side wiper, and adjustable coilover shocks. Braking performance has been upgraded with front power disc brakes, while a lighted license plate frame and painted undercarriage complete the exterior presentation. Inside, the cabin offers a comfortable blend of classic style and modern convenience. Features include air conditioning and heat, a JVC CD radio stereo system with 2 speakers, power windows, and electric exterior door locks. The interior is finished in a combination of tweed and leather, and is equipped with Stewart Warner gauges, an emergency brake, a loca shifter, and a tilt steering column for a customized driving position. This vehicle is located in Pulaski County, Arkansas, United States, for anyone looking for a turnkey classic hot rod with bold style, modern upgrades, and undeniable street presence. This 1931 Ford Model A is an outstanding opportunity. Number 2. 1932 Ford, Other. Priced at $18,000, this 1932 Ford is a clean and straightforward hot rod project that offers classic styling with reliable Ford power. The car features a fiberglass body, providing a lightweight foundation that is easy to maintain and well suited for cruising or further customization. Under the hood is a Ford 289 V8 engine with only 293 miles since being built, making it essentially fresh and barely broken in. This engine is well known for its balance of performance and durability, offering plenty of power for a vehicle of this size while maintaining dependable drivability. The car is being offered at a firm price of $18,000, with no trades accepted. As stated by the seller, if the listing is still active, the vehicle is still available, making this a direct and transparent sale opportunity. Located in Tom Green County, Texas, United States, this 1932 Ford represents a solid entry into the world of classic hot rods. Whether you are looking for a weekend cruiser, a show car foundation, or a vintage build with modern reliability, this vehicle delivers strong value at an accessible price point. Number 3. 1930 Chrysler 3-Window Street Rod. Offered at $35,900, this very rare 1930 Chrysler 3-Window Coupe is a standout classic street rod featuring an all-steel body, a highly desirable trait among collectors and enthusiasts. Its solid construction and timeless design make it an excellent foundation for both cruising and show use. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, paired with a matching transmission for reliable and proven performance. The drivetrain has been recently refreshed with a newly rebuilt high-stall torque converter, improving throttle response and overall drivability. Out back, a brand new 4.56 Posey traction rear end delivers strong off-the-line acceleration and confident power transfer. This Chrysler benefits from many new components, reflecting careful maintenance and thoughtful upgrades throughout the build. The interior has been updated with new carpeting, adding a fresh and clean finish to the cabin while maintaining the vehicle's classic hot rod character. The car is located in Canadian County, Oklahoma, United States. Additional information is available upon request, including detailed photos and a video of the vehicle running, making it easy for serious buyers to evaluate its condition and performance. For those seeking a rare pre-war American street rod with steel construction, proven V8 power, and tasteful updates, this 1930 Chrysler 3-Window Coupe represents a compelling opportunity in today's classic car market. Number 4. 1931 Model A Coupe. Offered at $26,000, this traditional 1931 Model A Coupe hot rod is a beautifully preserved example of early American hot rodding, built with authenticity and period-correct character in mind. The car features a genuine Henry Ford steel body, finished in a naturally rubbed patina that highlights its age and originality rather than hiding it. This is a desirable California blackplate car, adding to its historical appeal. Up front, the suspension is equipped with a 4-inch dropped Magnum front axle, paired with a Pete and Jake's tube shock kit and a steering stabilizer for improved control. A reverse-eye front spring and 1940 Ford hydraulic brakes provide dependable stopping power while maintaining a traditional setup to AT the front. A steel 1932 Ford grille reinforces the classic hot rod look. Power comes from a rebuilt 4-cylinder engine and transmission, upgraded with a V8 clutch and a lightened flywheel for improved response. Ignition duties are handled by an electronic bumpers distributor, enhancing reliability without compromising the vintage feel. The rear suspension features a Model T rear spring, a Millworks reverse-eye mainleaf, tube shocks, and Bowling Brothers rear hubs. A panhard bar from Bert's Model A center helps keep the rear end stable and planted on the road inside. The interior is very nicely finished, offering a clean and comfortable cabin that complements the car's traditional exterior style. This Model A is located in Guadalupe County, Texas, United States, for enthusiasts seeking a true traditional hot rod with authentic components, period-correct engineering, and undeniable character. This 1931 Model A Coupe is an excellent opportunity. Number 5. 1952 mg TD Replica, Ford-based. Offered at $10,500, this 1952 mg TD Replica delivers classic British roadster styling combined with the reliability and ease of ownership of a Ford-based chassis and powertrain. One of its most desirable features is the automatic transmission, a rare option on milligram TD replicas that makes this car especially enjoyable for relaxed cruising. The vehicle features a convertible soft top along with side curtains, allowing for open-air driving while still offering protection when needed. Finished in excellent condition, this replica has been well cared for and presents cleanly both inside and out. Thanks to its lightweight construction and dependable Ford mechanicals, this milligram TD replica is fun to drive, easy to maintain, and well suited for weekend cruises, car shows, or casual touring. It offers the vintage look of a 1950s British sports car without the complexity often associated with original examples. This vehicle is located in New Orleans, United States, for anyone seeking an affordable entry into classic motoring with timeless style, comfortable drivability, and automatic transmission convenience. This 1952 mg TD replica represents outstanding value. Number 6. 1935 Plymouth Coupe. Offered at $65,000, this 1935 Plymouth Coupe is a high-performance street rod built for serious power and commanding road presence. Under the hood sits a big-block Chevrolet 454 V8, producing an impressive 430 horsepower and built with manly connecting rods and SRP pistons for strength and durability. Fuel delivery is handled by a Holley 750 double-pumper carburetor, supported by a Holley electric fuel pump, ensuring crisp throttle response and consistent performance. Power is transferred through a turbo 350 automatic transmission to a Ford rear end with 3.73 gears, providing strong acceleration and confident cruising capability. The steering system features a Vega steering box, paired with a 32-inch chrome steering column for a clean, classic look. Instrumentation is handled by Dolphin gauges, while braking duties are upgraded with GM front disc brakes for reliable stopping power. A 16-gallon fuel tank offers practical driving range, and a loca shifter completes the cockpit's performance-focused layout. Exterior details include chrome tree bar headlights and distinctive 1950 Pontiac taillights, blending custom street rod styling with classic American design cues. This vehicle is located in Grayson County, Texas, United States. The seller notes serious inquiries only, with no trades accepted. If the advertisement is still online, the vehicle is still available for enthusiasts seeking a powerful, professionally built street rod with big block performance and bold styling. This 1935 Plymouth Coupe stands as an exceptional offering. Number 7. 1940 Packard Super 8180. Offered at $35,000, this 1940 Packard Super 8180 sedan represents classic pre-war American luxury at its finest. The odometer shows 61,370 miles, and the car is powered by Packard's legendary 356 cubic-inch straight-eight engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission for a smooth and refined driving experience. This Packard is equipped with several highly desirable period features, including dual side-mounted spare tires, elegant suicide doors, and a rear luggage rack, all of which enhance its stately appearance and touring capability. Known for exceptional ride quality and craftsmanship, the Super 8180 was one of Packard's flagship models, offering comfort and prestige well beyond its era. Described as a very clean car, this example presents well both mechanically and cosmetically, making it suitable for regular enjoyment, touring events, or display at classic car shows. The seller has reduced the price for a quick sale, and the price is firm at $35,000. The vehicle is located in Fort Smith, Arkansas, United States. For collectors seeking an elegant and historically significant luxury sedan with timeless design and proven Packard engineering, this 1940 Packard Super 8180 is an excellent opportunity. Number 8. 1930 Ford Classic Replica, built in 1970. Offered at $12,000 OBO, this 1930 Ford Classic Replica, built in 1970, delivers vintage hot rod styling with proven American V8 power. Under the hood is a small block Chevrolet engine, paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. Known for its simplicity and durability, built as a replica, this vehicle captures the look and feel of a 1930s Ford while benefiting from later construction and components, making it easier to maintain and enjoy. The drivetrain setup provides smooth, straightforward performance, well suited for cruising and casual driving. The seller is open to a possible trade for a 2002 to 2005 Ford Thunderbird, offering flexibility for interested buyers. The vehicle is located in Pittsburgh County, Oklahoma, United States. This classic replica represents an accessible entry into the hot rod and replica car world, combining nostalgic design with reliable Chevrolet power at a reasonable price point. Number 9. The 1934 Ford 4-door sedan, priced at $50,000. This classic 1930s 4-door sedan has undergone extensive modifications to perfectly blend vintage style with modern performance and comfort. One of the most striking changes is the chopped top, which lowers the roofline to give the car a more aggressive and sleek look while still maintaining its classic character. Under the hood, it's powered by a 347 Ford crate motor known for strong performance and reliability. This engine is paired with an AOD automatic transmission, providing smooth gear shifts and enhanced driving comfort, a definite upgrade from the typical manual transmissions found in classic cars. The car rides on Foose rims, a well-known custom wheel brand popular in the automotive and racing world, adding both aesthetic appeal and improved handling. The entire body is made of steel, offering better durability and strength. A unique standout feature is the glass rear fenders, giving the back end an exclusive and distinctive look rarely seen on classic cars. Inside, the cabin is equipped with decoder digital gauges, providing accurate readings for speed, RPM, fuel, and other vital functions. Comfort features include air conditioning and power windows, making long drives more enjoyable. The suspension system has been completely upgraded, resulting in better stability and a smoother ride. This 1934 four-door sedan is a perfect example of how a classic car can remain stylish and functional in today's world. Number 10. The 1948 Chevy Stylemaster, priced at $45,000. This vehicle represents a complete and meticulous restoration, with over $70,000 invested to refurbish every part of the car, from the interior and body to the undercarriage. Under the hood sits a brand new blueprinted 350 engine with only 5,400 miles, paired with headers to boost performance. A new 700 automatic transmission provides smooth and responsive shifting, making this car both stunning and comfortable to drive. It also features air conditioning for added comfort. The car is equipped with a quality camshaft, enhancing engine power and character. Every detail has been perfected, making it truly one of a kind. This Stylemaster is ideal for collectors or hot rod enthusiasts seeking both visual impact and strong performance. With its full restoration and premium features, this vehicle is more than a car, it's a work of art and a valuable investment. Number 11. The 1934 Ford Coupe 5-window, priced at $115,000. Built on a U7655 chassis, this hot rod dates back to 1954 and underwent a 7-year restoration from 2006 to 2013. The steel body is chopped and channeled, with custom louvered roof and trunk panels. Finished in Naples orange paint, the interior features Spinnebeck leather. Power comes from a supercharged 331 cubic inch Cadillac V8 with a KGER intake and 6 Strandberg carburetors, paired with a Muncie M21 4-speed transmission and a Hallebrand 310 quick-change rear end. Buick Finn drum brakes handle stopping duties. This award-winning build includes historical photos and magazine features, making it a standout collector-grade hot rod. Number 12. The 1937 Ford Coupe, priced at $21,000. This driver-quality classic features original steel doors, hood, grille, and body, with fiberglass fenders. It shows 123,456 miles, with approximately 10,000 miles since its rebuild. Power comes from a 350 Chevrolet engine with camshaft, Edelbrock carburetor, and intake, paired with a TH350 transmission and a 9-inch rear end. A dual Flowmaster exhaust provides classic sound. New white-wall bias-ply tires complete the vintage look. Everything functions as it should, though it does not include a top, side panels, or door glass. Cash sale only, No trades. Number 13. The 1941 Willys Coupe, priced at $69,900. Professionally built with only 974.8 miles since completion, this Willys is powered by a 502 crate motor paired with a turbo 400 transmission. A Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.11 gears delivers strong acceleration. The Outlaw-style custom body and frame provide bold character. Features include fake fuel injection, exhaust cutouts, heat and air conditioning, and massive rear tires for aggressive stance. This Willys has been featured in an official calendar, highlighting its quality and presence. Clean, powerful, and road-ready.